Turmeric tea recipe to boost your immunity and fight infection. Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. In today's video we will look at an easy-to-make turmeric tea recipe that will assist your immune system function. We've discussed the benefits of curcumin in another video, which is the primary component of turmeric. Curcumin is fantastic at improving and boosting your immunity, as well as having some amazing healing properties. Today, we'll be reviewing a recipe for tea as well as health benefits from turmeric. Immunity is our body's defense against viruses and bacteria that cause diseases. Consuming curcumin can considerably reduce your chances of getting sick. Did you know that people with a low immune system response are more susceptible to viruses and bacteria? Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric helps to strengthen our bodies. However, there are low levels of curcumin in turmeric, so it's usually hard to get all the benefits from food. Supplementing with it may be a better idea depending on your circumstances. If you live in an area with a fluctuation in climate, it's common to catch a cold or flu. This is when curcumin can help the body mostly by naturally cleansing the respiratory tract, fighting infections and alleviating symptoms. Other than that, people who suffer from respiratory issues, such as sinusitis, bronchitis, etc., can become more sensitive to these problems since their immunity is weakened. Curcumin is very useful for those who suffer from respiratory problems since it improves breathing, alleviates congestion and inhibits inflammation. If you want to experience these benefits, try our recipe and naturally strengthen your body with this powerful natural remedy. How to make turmeric tea: 16 ounces, water, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, curcuma, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 pinch black pepper powder. Directions: boil water and then let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. This step is important for the medicinal properties of the ingredients. Add the turmeric, honey, lemon juice, and pepper in the water and mix it well. Then, add your choice of tea to the mix. Black pepper facilitates better absorption of the ingredients and it helps potentiate the benefits of turmeric. You can also choose to replace lemon juice with lemon zest. If you plan to use curcumin as a supplement, see the description for our personal recommendation. We hope you found this information useful. Please like the video if you found it informative. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.